Window AC units are designed to cool a specific room quicker than ever. Their innovative design frees windows to let fresh air in when needed and also enjoy the view out of the world. Well, today, we have the smart window ACs that every smart home should have.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
Starting with one of the most portable and compact smart window AC, which can provide much needed relief in the hot summer days and best for both a small house and a large room. Its beautiful design, easy installation, remote connectivity and schedule creation makes living with window air conditioner a pain-free experience. Apart from that, the intuitive thermostat knob interface is ideal for seniors who are not used to smart devices. Its low-profile form factor enables you to keep the view from your window and makes storage a breeze. To stay cool during hot summer days, you don't have to keep the door of your fridge open, nor do you have to carry ice cubes with you. Install this inverter AC and forget everything. Its U-shaped innovative design frees windows to let fresh air in, and when temperature rises, slide down windows and turn it on to keep the ambient cool. Since it's Wi-Fi enabled, you can control it from anywhere using the Midea Air app. And for the Alexa compatibility, controlling through voice is amazing. Next, we have this lightweight cooling tool from EcoBreeze, which is a window fan, a window AC. Okay, fine, it's both, which uses the same energy as an LED light bulb and lets you save up to 98% more energy than other air conditioning systems. Its sleek, low-profile design makes installation a snap without sacrificing the view. Your small or mid-sized bedroom will be ready for a comfortable good night's sleep, and you can adjust the airstream to your preferences. Undoubtedly, a Wi-Fi enabled smart cooling system can keep you cool while letting you breathe fresh air, and the WINDMILL AC does it perfectly. Its pre-assembled kit is ready to go out of the box, and anyone can set up the whole unit by using them with ease. Impressively, it blows air at the perfect angle like big ACs, ensuring everyone stays comfortable and relaxed. Moreover, the dual filtration system traps all the dust, pollutants and allergies, so you can breathe fresh air. Wouldn't it be great if you could control AC temperatures without lifting a finger? Yes, now you can with the GE Window AC. For hands-free adjustments, you can ask Alexa to control room temperature and she will do the rest. Sadly, it looks like a traditional window AC and blocks half of the window, but based on a specific model, it can deliver up to 14,000 BTU cooling power. Believe it or not, it can cool down an entire room faster than ever. This is AROS, a truly brilliant air conditioner that connects to the Wink app on your mobile device, allowing you to control it from anywhere. The installation is simply straightforward and does not require any additional effort. Then take a small step back and admire its beauty. Besides that, its side wings are fully adjustable to let the fresh morning breeze inside your house, so you also can stay close to nature. Coming to the final product, we've got the LG DUAL Inverter Smart Wi-Fi AC, which can keep your home cool and frizzy even on the hottest days of July. This one can deliver up to 14,000 BTU cool breeze that's absolutely best for any large-sized room. As its name suggests, its dual inverter technology continually adjusts the speed of the compressor rather than turning it on and off, and in such a way, you can save up to 25% of energy compared to a traditional HVAC system. So these were the 7 smart window AC for every smart home. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.